In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change OneNote layout. If you've ever felt like your notes would be easier to manage with a different look, changing the layout in Microsoft OneNote can make a big difference. We'll use the desktop app for Windows, since that's where the layout options live. If your screen looks a bit different from what you see here, you might be using the web or mobile version, which won't have the same controls. Start by opening the Microsoft OneNote desktop app. Give it a moment to load your most recent notebook. Once you're in, look up to the top of the window for the ribbon, the strip of tabs that includes Home, Insert, Draw, and more. Click the View tab. This tab is where OneNote keeps appearance and navigation settings, and it's the fastest way to tailor the workspace to how you think. Inside the View tab, find the option called Tabs Layout. This setting controls where your sections and pages appear in the interface. Think of it as choosing the best map for navigating your notes. You have two choices. Select Vertical Tabs if you want your sections and pages to move to the left side of the window. With vertical tabs, your notebook structure stacks neatly in a sidebar, which is especially handy on smaller or widescreen monitors because it leaves more room for your actual notes. It also keeps sections and pages close together, so jumping between them feels natural and compact. Or choose horizontal tabs if you prefer your section tabs along the top, with pages listed to the side. This look will feel familiar if you've used earlier versions of OneNote, and it gives your sections a clear, wide row across the top of your notes. It can be helpful when you work with a smaller number of sections and want to see them all at a glance. There's no right or wrong layout here. Pick the one that matches how you think and the size of your screen. You can switch between vertical and horizontal anytime by returning to View, then Tabs Layout. The change is instant and doesn't affect your content, notebooks, or sync. It's simply a visual preference for navigation. If you don't see Tabs Layout under View, make sure you're in the OneNote desktop app and that it's up to date. Also, if the ribbon is minimized, click the View tab once to reveal the full set of commands. That's it. Open OneNote, go to View, select Tabs Layout, then choose vertical or horizontal based on what helps you work best. Try both for a minute and see which one makes your notes feel clearer and faster to use.